Hey, bros, welcome back to my channel. It's KYRRALASHAE here, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the Jaja house and become a bros with all of us. But if you are returning, what's up, girl? So today we're gonna be doing a glueless install, like I promised from the last video. It's just gonna be right here. So you guys how to do that if you don't like using glue. And today, thank you to Jaja Hair Beauty, for sponsoring this video, sending me this wig, this beautiful wig that I'm going to be showing you guys how to install in the next clip. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe before you go to the next clip. I need to hurry up and get through this video because I need to go to work. I'm about to go to work. So today I'm going to be doing a glueless install like I promised from the last video, which actually did really good, more than I thought it would. And since that video did so good, a hair company reached out to me, Jaja Hair. Y'all can see it. This beautiful bitch. This is hair company. They sent me this wig, and it's a curly bob closure wig. I've never done a closure wig on myself before. I only did frontals. Y'all already know I only do frontals, so this is going to be a glueless closure install, but it's still a wig. So let's see if I can really put my magic, my touch on it. And yeah, it comes in this cute box. I haven't opened it yet. I got it yesterday when I came home. This is my live real reaction. I never done a closure before. I had a closure myself before, but it didn't look really good because somebody else did it on me. So what comes in the box is this wig in a plastic container. It's 12 inches. And it's deep wave. It looks so... Let me smell this because hair... It doesn't have a weird smell. It comes in a hairnet. Ooh. Hold on, wait. Hold up. Y'all see that? It look like it's pre-plucked already. I don't know if y'all can see it. Ooh, let's just hope this looks good, because I'm not going to work if it come out crazy. This is so cute. It comes already pre-plugged. You can have parting space. You can see you have parting space. But I'm going to do a middle part with this, or probably no part. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. But this is how the texture is so pretty and it's so soft. It don't have really a weird smell. Or else I don't even want to brush it out. Okay, let me keep going. But it's so beautiful. Details on this hair will be in the description below. I'm going to switch over to a voiceover so I can get this done real quick. And it does come with a wig cap. You guys asked me last time, does it come if the wig came with a wig cap? And mostly it does. Thank you, Jaja Hair, for sponsoring this video, for reaching out to me and sending me this hair, because it's so beautiful and it's gonna look so good on me. And I made sure I got 12 inches because I wanted to sit right there. It's so pretty and it's so soft. But let's switch over to the voiceover and get into it. Period. So you see I have a 4x4 closure wig that's 12 inches from Jaja Hair. I'm in the foundation shade 360, which is mocha, in the Fit Me foundation. I'm going to use that and put it on the lace of the closure so it can blend in with my skin. And no, I do not bleach the knots because this works for me and I don't have any more developer. Until I get some more developer, I will not be bleaching my knots. So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Now you see me taking off my bonnet. You see I'm putting my braids crisscross in the back. I got that from African Beauty. It makes your wig stay down flatter and it makes your braids stay flatter while you have your wig cap on. I'm using the wig cap that I got out of the box. And as you see, I'm going to be pushing the wig cap back because we're not doing the ball cap method. Y'all need to use these when you doing your hair because one, it's better than having that like elastic band, especially if you don't know how to sew for real. Put this on the back of your head. She'll be strapped tight and right.
I don't need no shelter from rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Rain down on me.
Right here, you're about to see me take out the baby hairs, and I'm going to be starting to pluck. Yes, I do pluck my wigs, but I'm too lazy to pluck it all the way, so I just pluck a little bit, and then when I'm about to do my baby hairs for real, I start plucking. Now we're getting ready to put the Got to Be Glued on my forehead.
That's all you need. Put it right here and then push it back so your edges can push back and not get into the lace when you lay it. Take your Got to Be Glued spray. Spray it right there. Right there. Let it drop down. And I like to circle it in and push it into my edges. Then you're gonna take your blow dryer and blow it until it gets tacky. Bitch mad with a stuck face. Way, city girl make a whistle like Ray J. Let me talk to her.
It's different.
While I'm combing the hair, I'm pushing the lace down with the back of the comb so it can like really get into that glue. Well, that gel. And I'm pulling out my baby hairs because I want my hair to lay and train the baby hairs to lay.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control.
Let this set, and we're gonna style the hair. What I like most about curly hair is that you don't really have to do much to it. You don't have to straighten it. You just get up, spray it, and go. Or put some mousse on it, brush it out, and go.
Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower me. Just rain on me. Full as a dam at capacity. My passion's about to explode. I can't escape.
Right here, I'm going to define the part, and I'm now just noticing that the closure was lopsided on my head, but it still worked out. Defining the middle part because I want it to be real deep. In this clip, I'm going to be cutting the lace. I'm going to section it off first so I can cut half and half. But it still look a little wiggy, but it's okay because I pluck some more after this. The key is to keep plucking, but do not pluck so much that you bald this hairline. The key is to, when you pluck, make sure you spritz the part you're plucking, spritz the hairline so you can actually get the hair and see what you're doing for real. See, this is where I go in and actually pluck how I'm supposed to. But even after this, I still continue to pluck. So now we're going to begin to cut our baby hairs. What I do is I cut less than what I'm supposed to. I don't cut my baby hairs short the first time. I make sure they're long just in case anything can happen. Because you cut your baby hair short and they looking crazy, your whole wig is gone.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me, let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Just
Well, thank you guys for watching. That's all for this video, and thank you Jaja Hair for sending me this wig. This is a 12-inch 4x4 deep wave closure wig. Everything will be linked in the description below. I wore this wig to work yesterday, and they were like, oh my gosh, why did you trim your hair? Why did you cut your hair? But your curls look so good. Da, 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 da. I was like, this is a wig. And they were like, oh my god, it looks so natural. So you see, turn this closure, made it look like a frontal, period. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you can check out them pictures I'm going to be posting with this hair. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this, because I really love doing videos like this for y'all. So, and I think you guys love watching them. So maybe if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get more content like this. So thank you guys for watching this video. Everything will be linked in the description below. My Instagram is at KYRRALASHAE. Make sure you tell Jaja Hair and them reviews that KYRRALASHAE sent you. Thank you so much. I will appreciate that a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.